I welcome all the members for the today's FDP session. So in today's segment, we are going to discuss about use of AI tools in teaching and curriculum design. So yesterday we saw about how to empower academic research with the aid of AI platforms. Now today we are going to narrow down our field of application for classroom teaching as well as for curriculum design and development. So before moving to the main theme of the presentation, we will have the session objectives. So these are our today's session objective for the day 2 FDP session. Use of AI in teaching and curriculum design primarily aims to create personalized self-learning environment in a more adaptive manner according to the various changing dynamic learning experience. Also, we can able to analyze the students' learning potential. Based on the students' learning comfort, we can prepare the learning materials in a tailor-made content. The following key objectives like automating various administrative tasks of the teacher, enabling real-time feedback about the student learning outcome through critical thinking and sensitivity analysis as relevant to the curriculum enrichment. So by doing so, we can enhance the overall efficiency and engagement within the classroom environment. So in continuation to the session objective, now we will move on to the main, the background theme for today's topic, AI in teaching and curriculum design. The use of AI technology act as a personalized assistant or time-saving assistant for educators in today's scenario. So educator can flexibly prepare the lecture notes, the learning materials according to the different learning potential of the students. Some may have disabilities, learning disabilities. So for the slow learners, we have to prepare much more simplified learning materials for easy understanding of the concept. So in such a way, AI is considered to be a powerful time-saving assistant for today's young teacher in education line. Use of AI, we can streamline the lesson plan for the particular course, and also we can able to create lot of activities like quizzes, giving assignments, providing real-time the feedback about the learning path of students, etc. So the key tools include AI-driven content generation, predictive analytics for analyzing the learning gaps of students, and updating the curriculum, also the teaching strategies according to the learning gap identified. So in such a way, AI is considered to be a supporting assistant for teacher as well as for the students within an educational system. Now let us deeply explore the following application in teaching and curriculum design. First one, we will move on to the lesson planning and content generation. As we all know that AI act as a brainstorming partner for the educator in helping them to generate the ready-made lesson plan according to the curriculum, planning of various classroom activities, and educational content tailored to the specific learning objectives according to the different student ages and educational standards. Personalized learning path. So here AI adapts educational content to the individual student learning capability and different learning styles they follow. based on the targeted, focused group of study and curriculum optimization. Educators use data analytics to analyze the student performance as well as the classroom engagement for better progressing through continuous improvement to the curriculum, identifying gaps, and enriching the teaching methodologies in much better way in near future. Assessment creation and grading method. AI automates the generation of quiz, online assignments, and rubrics assessment for various learning outcome of the students. Also provide ready-made feedback about the students' quality in terms of grammar as well as citation. So this further helps the students to enrich the knowledge skills based on the feedback provided by the AI virtual assistant. Easy accessibility and inclusivity. AI-driven tools support the learners with special disabilities by offering highly customized materials and enhancing the engagement in the classroom. What are the various key benefits using AI technology in educational system, especially in classroom teaching learning process? So it significantly reduces the number of time spent on various administrative tasks as well as lesson plan preparation so that the teacher can focus only on the actual job instead of wasting the energy in doing lot of repetitive mundane tasks. Next one, enhanced engagement. So a teacher can able to facilitate much more interactive and gamified learning experience inside the classroom that can retain the attention rate of the students. Data driven decision making. So AI provides actionable insights from student data in order to improve the teaching learning effectiveness according to the students' retention rate. What are the future challenges and consideration? Coming to the privacy and data security, a lot of risk involved in procuring the information about the student data. So we need to follow the ethical concern by handling the student data without any bias. And human factor is considered to be one of the most important element. AI is considered to be only a support to the human manpower. It will not replace the essential role of the teacher. Say, for example, popular tools in the available in the market, AI. So this helps the teacher in transforming the various academic documents, generating question papers, and adapting content-based learning method for different learners group in the classroom. So we have gone through the different insights about the adaptiveness of AI in classroom teaching and curriculum design. So as a nutshell, now I would like to conclude the today's FDP presentation before closing on the session. AI act as a co-teacher by trying to minimize the administrative workload and allowing the educators to focus only on the mentoring and high-level interactive teaching method. AI-driven tools personalize the content according to the various student requirements by improving the classroom engagement, retention rates, and overall learning outcome. And key challenges include data security, data privacy, information bias. These are some of the risks involved in addressing the AI technology in education system. So we need to train the human worker to handle such issues in a more ethical way without violating the academic quality at the outset. And AI integration prepares the students for the future workforce by encouraging for more critical thinking, logical reasoning, and academic flexibility in digital environments. So once again, I thank all the member participants for the day 2 FDP session. Thanks for attending through virtual mode. We will meet the third day of FDP session. So the third day we are going to discuss about another interesting topic called use of AI in multidisciplinary research application. So with this, I thank each and every one of you. Thank you all.